Welcome. Previous video we have discussed how to define the load cases, load patterns. In this video we will learn how to do the model analysis and dynamic analysis of the structure. So let's start with the new tutorial. Load cases, previously model load cases. So load cases. In load cases, we have defined the response spectrum, but we are doing the static analysis for EX and EY. So I need to change this into linear static. Okay. I do the same linear static. Okay. And I add one new load case here. So I just click here and I call it response spectrum. Okay, response spectrum, and change here response spectrum, add u1 response spectrum u2. Now we have done the you keep for time being the response spectrum. Here you can do separately, so just I delete one response spectrum y, response spectrum x. Okay, so this is done with the response spectrum x. Okay, now we do the same, add new load case, response spectrum y, and we change from load case type into response spectrum, add, and you make u2 default response spectrum, factor keep as it is, and other factors you need to keep all the same. Just okay, click here and okay. So today we have done with the response spectrum analysis in the dynamic mode. So this is all about the response spectrum. So in the next video we will learn how to apply the loads on the frame, loads on the slab, and how calculate the dead loads of the tiles, finishings, and how we put the live loads as per the code. So for time being, thank you.